Hi guys, so today I will cover a preview of Sydney Thunder and Brisbane Heat. Okay, so I'll talk about only Grand Leagues. So yeah, I will share some information. That information can be used for small leagues too. So yeah, so tomorrow they're playing their BBL fifth match, so that will be playing at Canberra. So in this ground we already seen two matches. So in these two matches, bowler domination was there around. Yeah, in second match we have seen like 13 wickets. Okay, and the third match which was happened in the same ground, it's around 17 wickets. So spinner gets used to the pitch, so they can play their role. Okay, and that too tomorrow. I think it's a night match only. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. So, if you observe first match, second match, Nathan Coulter took 4 wickets. Okay, so and please, I request, like, if you're going to create a Grand League teams, right? So you make use to make the bowlers as a captain, and that can help you out certainly. Okay, and one main note: don't miss power hitters. Okay, so we cannot afford to lose the power hitters. Okay, so death bowlers, power hitters. Okay, and yeah, so let's get into prediction part. So I am thinking like tomorrow structural combination would be like 1-4-2-4. Okay, 1 second. So I'm thinking like 1-4-2-4 will be the ideal combination. So you can go with this combination. And yeah, so wicket keeper section, I think one and only option that we can go ahead with JPSN. Okay, and 1 second. So Jamie Pearson, that's the only option we have. And 1 second. Sorry. So see, Alex Hales, Chrislin, Ferguson. I think, yeah, coming back to playing 11. So I don't think so. Like they will be changing their teams. Okay, I am expecting same playing 11 for tomorrow match also. So tomorrow, yeah, Hales, Lynn, Ferguson, Quaza, Cooper, Bryant, Raz, and Hazlitt. See, all these batsmen can be a hero on their day. Okay, so we cannot afford to lose uh, any one of them. Okay, so I'll tell you like how we can choose 4 out of these 8. Okay, so all-rounder Sams, Lawrence, Cutting, and Melinko. I think in place of Melinko, I'm just expecting like other can be comes. Only change I'm expecting from Heat. Okay, so Greenwood, Sangha. Take a look at Sangha. So I think he will be doing his part tomorrow also. Ben Laughlin, Bartlett, and Kuhneman, China leftman China bowler. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మీరు sorry, so if you are observe here, Bartlett gives runs, but he used to get the wickets. Kuhneman economy was good, like he will give you less runs, but taking wicket was less. Jonathan Cook, McAndrew, C. Terraman. Okay, so I'll tell you like these section and this section how we can go, like I'll tell you. Okay, so if you want to create uh, most accurate teams for Grand Leagues, okay, so where we can beat the or reach the dream team. So as you know, all of you, like teams to win, we created for that. Okay, we created that application to help the user to create their own Grand Leagues. Okay, so uh, before I'm getting that, see, And in today's match, all of our users who are already using Teams to Win app, right? They got couple of Grand Leagues today. So I'll just show you couple of screenshots so that you can understand. So this user got second rank and fourth rank. Okay, and yeah. So this guy, I have posted couple of teams in my Telegram also. So with that teams, he got the first rank, 10,000 spots. Okay, so he invested 5,000 and got like 8,800 rupees. So another, see, this is my Grand League. See, I just missed out, guys. 23 lakhs 86,000. I got 868 rank. Okay, not only that, so I just missed the jog but actually. So a lot of GL was missed. 94,046 rank. I just missed out. And see, at least I expected this actually. So this also missed with one player. Okay, so yeah, this guy, my user, he got 50,000 today. Okay, so Teams to Win can assure you if you keep on playing Grand Leagues by using Teams to Win app. Okay, winnings was assured. Okay, with our guidance and with our support, yeah, winnings would be certainly assured. Coming back to our app, see this is our app interface. So you can see that here. So you need to log in. Okay, so you will get the login details from us. Please contact. Okay, so these are our contact details. Okay, so you can contact us in our Telegram channel actually. So maybe it was not working over there. Yeah, so yeah, so if anybody wants login, they can reach me on this number. WhatsApp and Telegram, both numbers are same. Okay, so coming back to match, so all the matches which ever listed in the Dream 11, that would be reflect here. Okay, don't worry. So I'm just going to generate teams. Okay, I need to log in here. Yeah, wait a second. So once you log in, you can able to see this generate teams. Click on that. So you will get the user face like this. So choose your structure. As I said, I am very pretty much confident like tomorrow Dream Team would be in the same combination like 1424. So I'll go here. So I'll select the, oh wait, Thunder and Brisbane Heat. Okay, so 1424 wicket keeper section. As I said, I am looking at only James Pearson, so I'm not going with anybody. Alex Hales. Okay, so Ross, Ferguson, Lynn, Bryant, Hazlitt, Tom Cooper, Usman Khawaja. Okay, so all rounder should be like Ben Cutting, D. Lawrence, Sams, D. Sams. I'm not taking Meliko, so I don't expect a performance from him. So I'm just dropping him from my side. If you want, you can take it. Bowler, okay, Ben Laughlin, Chris Green, okay, Jonathan Cook, C. Terramine. So who are all there? J. Wood Sanga, T. Sanga, McAndrew, Kuhneman, Andrew, and Bartlett. Just check 4, 8 and 8, 10, 16, 17, 20. So I dropped one all-rounder, which I am not expecting any performance from your side, and one wicket keeper. So I'm just selected 20 members, and first I'll check like with all these 20 members how many teams I can able to get with all the dream 11 condition was satisfied. After satisfying every condition of the dream 11, that teams only will be displayed like within 100 credits, maximum 7 members from one team, and like minimum 1, maximum 4 wicket keepers. That conditions, every condition, once every condition is satisfied, that kind of teams only we are able to get it to see here. So I'm just checking out, submit, see how many teams I got. These are all possibility combination, around 57 teams. Okay, so around 57 teams was there. So if you can play with at least 30 to 40 teams for 10 matches, I am pretty much sure that you can get a grand league. Okay, so I just want 22 teams only, right? Click it 22 and submit. You will get 22. Now if you want only 11, yeah, you can here, you can get 11. So and if you want like more guidance or more support, more monitoring, yeah, you can contact us at our WhatsApp number or Telegram number. Okay, so this is our contact. Okay, so you can contact me over there. And yeah, so I'm expecting small league. Let me go through with my small league. Okay, Alex Hale. See, Alex Hale should be very good batsman, and he has very good record and one of the leading run scorer for Thunders. But see, when we are taking him as consideration, we need to take care of couple of things. Before I'm getting to yeah this all-round section, I'm just putting my things and cutting and Sams and Lawrence. Okay, both three I just want to include in my small league team. Okay, so cutting, like he's a big guy, so we cannot leave him actually in the small leagues. And Sam's, yeah, death bowler, definitely we need to take into consideration. And D Lawrence. Okay, so many people know not aware of this guy. Like he plays many counties. Like he has a very good record with bat and ball. Okay, so and coming back to this one, Sangha, I'm taking out. See, I just want to actually tomorrow small league. I just want to uh, go with more spinners, especially in the grand leagues. And even though in consideration of tomorrow's pitch, yeah, I just want to go with Green and Kuhneman. Okay, yeah, and I'll go with Hales. And Quasar was failed definitely in first match, but he's very good technical guy, so we cannot leave him. So I'm expecting a good performance tomorrow from Quasar. So Lin, make sure Lin can destroy tomorrow. Okay, in Grand Leagues also at least make him captain in a couple of teams, like at least 3 plus. Okay, in 3 teams at least you make him a captain. Yeah, if he is batting first, he can click more. I mean, getting to destroy the things when he bat first is more. And if it is batting second, I mean, Lin is batting at second innings, yeah, you can drop him also in a couple of teams. And yeah, Smalling, right? So Cooper, Bryant, yeah, I'll go with Bryant. Okay, so this is my final team for small league, and yeah, captaincy and vice captaincy. I'm just going with Daniel Sams, and Lin. So this is my small league team for this time, and after the toss it can be changed as per the toss, definitely. Why? Because it's a night match, and I can may remove Lin if he bats second. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and try to go with 1-4-2 for structure, and make sure maximum teams go with bowlers as a captain. Okay, bowlers as a captain. Okay, so thank you guys. I thought like you will be liking it. Thank you so much.